happy birthday for today, son. You turned 29 years. We're looking forward to your 30th for next year. But let's wind back to when you were born. You're a miracle son, a miracle child. 13 hours in labor, and it's amazing. Gosh, the years have just gone so fast, and now we're into 29 years actually. It was just not long ago we had your 21st. So yeah, all the best, and keep chasing that dream, because I know that all your focus is on that right now. But just thank you for being a great son, thank you for being a great brother, and a happy birthday for today, son. Happy birthday. And by the way, my lucky number has always been number 6, the day you were born. Happy birthday!